Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using red, white, and blue dip powders from Valkyrie Dips, and I'm so excited about this mani. We're going to do some color blocking, and we're going to start off by taping off this nail here for the color blocking. That we're going to start out by using Verbena, which is a really pretty white dip powder, and it also has a surprise. It has a twist of UV, which changes it to a really light purple. So for the color blocking, I am just placing some tape here. I like to use the medical tape. I just feel like it sticks a little bit better, and when it gets wet with the gel products or the dip liquids, that you can still like peel it off and you get a really nice cleaner line, even though the tape is a little bit bigger. So I'm just taking this silicone tip nail art tool here. I'll link that in the description box below. It is just from Amazon, and I'm really just making sure that that tape is laying really flat to the nail, so when we pull it off we get a crisp line, because we're going to do a color blocking with 3 different lines here. So I'm going to start out by placing some gel on that first line here, and I want a thinner white line in the middle. So we're going to be using Verbena. Now Verbena, you will see here, it's going to show you a UV change when we cure it, and it's a really pretty white with a hint of like this really like subtle purple. It's really pretty, and it actually complements Making Waves, which is this beautiful blue we're going to use here, and Sizzle together. So I think it was really fun, especially if you are in the sun for the upcoming 4th of July weekend. This is going to be a really fun mani, and this white is so full coverage. It is stunning. So check out that purple after we cured it with that UV light. It's just a really pretty, just like a subtle purple, right? It's really pretty. So again, we're going to go in with a second dip on that color blocking, and I'm just making sure I'm really focusing this time that gel product right on that line, just so we can have a smoother, easy peel off with that tape. But I really like color blocking. It's just an easy way to create some nail art. Now, I will say I used to be really scared of color blocking. I tried it once before, like when I first started doing my nails, like 2-3 years ago, and it like looked so bad, and I was like, I'm never doing this again, because I did it on my regular nails and I was still learning. But you know, like when you're starting to do your nails and you see like all these cool things, so you just like try to do everything at once before you like try and just like master something. That was the problem I had, but I just needed to master my dipping first before I like really try to implement some fun nail art. Now, to crisp up that line, I'm just taking a file and I'm just gently cleaning up those edges just to really crisp up those lines. Now, if you've ever tried dip powders from Valkyrie Dips, they are super finely milled and they're very, very easy to file and buff. Really minimal filing and buffing. Okay, so now we're going in with that blue, and I'm going to be really careful and take my time when applying that gel product, so I am not touching that white, because I want to keep that white stripe as pure as possible. If you do get any powder on that white stripe, it's okay. Use an orange wood stick and kind of scrape that off. And then at the end, you could always scrub on some white onto that line to make it more vibrant with like an ombre or makeup brush. So that's just a little helpful tip. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this fun mani, and then I'll pop back in with my final thoughts.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. two. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Alright, now that we finished applying that gel top coat and I cured it for 60 seconds, here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It's a very simple mani, but yet these colors are really fun and vibrant. Sizzle is a beautiful, like bright, almost like a neon red. I love it, and you could see how it looks a little bit toned down with the color blocking. It's just overall a really good staple color. All these colors are great staple colors and fun, but the color blocking, even though it's a simple mani, the color blocking is a statement piece nail, and it just really brings the eye to that color blocking, and it's just so fun. So you can do a lot of different things with color blocking. I really like how it looks on the short coffin nail on an angle like that. I just think it's really pretty, and just overall a really fun mani, and I really enjoyed creating this color blocking. And these powders are so easy to work with, and they're full coverage and packed with pigment, super easy to work with. So if these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to Valkyrie Dips. There are tons of other beautiful colors. You're definitely going to find something that catches your eye, and I will see you all in the next upload.